memories untold, suspended in a story never told, suspended in a life